with the dwarf rabbit. Please go and comment on my last video. What squad I should be. So yeah. But with today's video, I'm going to be basically showing you what I do on a daily basis. It's probably mostly going to be riding my bike because that's what I love doing. So yeah. I'm going to be doing another video, a video created 24 hours video. So yeah. Okay guys, so first I get up, eat breakfast. I'm gonna actually change the video just a bit, and it's me riding my bike. So yeah. First I get my shoes on. Then I walk outdoors. I have a massive gazebo. We have this really cute edge here. Okay guys, so yeah, it's got this little window here. So I'm just gonna open my gate. Yeah. Okay guys, so here is my bike. All I have to do is get on it. Difficulties with getting your bike out. Okay guys, so finally got my bike out that alleyway and I got a massive scratch on me. And I'm going to be going all the way down there. Okay guys, so I don't have to put my camera on my bike, but okay guys, so I set my camera up. I'm just gonna hope that it actually doesn't fall. Because if it does, then my phone's actually gonna be doomed. So yeah, I'm just going to try and put it like that. And I hope I don't drop it. If I do, then... Okay, be right back. Okay guys, I'm just going to hold it. So, yeah. I'm going to try and be very careful. That doesn't work. Okay guys, so I'm just going to have it like that. Okay guys, it isn't working. Right here, I normally cross the road. Okay guys, so I'm actually found a way. Okay, this is a steeple, and I actually have no pedals, so I've got to be very careful. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm on this kind of area here. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep on going. So I hope for the best, and yeah. I'm sorry for the noises. My bike just makes weird noises. It almost went into a bush. Do not do this at home, guys, because it is very hard. Look at you have a pop socket. My friend Paige lives down here. I think I'm actually going to go a bit further for the video. See what I can find. You never know. Okay guys, so me and my friends normally climb. We're going to see what I can find. Hair tie normal. Okay guys, so I'm going to bring a flower back. for my dad, obviously. And my bike is all the way over there. It's quite muddy here, as you see a little bit. I'm going to be going up there. So yeah, okay guys, you ready? Because I am. If you ever do this, guys, please be careful.